In this video, we'll look at how to add contacts to Macanta using the API. So you might use this if you've got a web form that's being filled in and you want to send the information across, or you're using another system in your business and you want to send data over from there to keep it in sync. So for the API, you can go to macanta.org/docs all the necessary details there for the API. So I'm just going to use Zapier as the tool to send the information in this instance. Of course, you can use whatever platform you're using as long as it can send it in the right format. But for our example, I'll just use Zapier. So the first thing we need to do is get our URL that we're going to be sending the information to. So I get that from the contacts section of the API. So I'll just go and copy that and then go into Zapier and say send to that URL. Now this is just a default, so if we go back to our app, we need to go and get the correct app name, which is in our URL, and it's the bit before the .macantacrm.com, so GP349 in this case. And I can then just go in and place that. Then must send as JSON, and then we can go and set up our information. So first we need our API key, which we go and get in our app under admin, under data tools, and the API. And I can copy that and go in here and set this up. And then I want to add first name and last name and email. For the syntax of all of these, please refer back to the API docs. So we're going to add Martha here and we'll have it as com. That's the information we want to send, and then I can just go and test that. Test and review. And there we go. We've got our green. It's given us an ID, so now we know what the contact ID in Macanta is if we need to use it somewhere else. And I can go into our app and I can go and search for Martha. There we go. Contact ID 32 and Martha comes up. So that's how we can create contacts using the API.